Let's dive into a fun science experiment quiz. Can you guess the right answers and become a science whiz? Let's find out. 1. Baking soda and vinegar volcano. Question. What causes the bubbling eruption in a DIY volcano made with baking soda and vinegar? A. Heat reaction. B. Acid-base reaction. C. Evaporation. D. Combustion. Answer. B. Acid-base reaction. Explanation. When vinegar, an acid, reacts with baking soda, a base, it creates carbon dioxide gas, causing the bubbling eruption like a mini volcano. 2. Rainbow in a jar. Liquid density layers. Question. Why do the colored liquids in a rainbow jar stay in separate layers? A. They're scared to mix. B. They're different temperatures. C. They have different densities. D. They're magnetic. Answer. C. They have different densities. Explanation. Each liquid has a different weight, density, so heavier ones, like syrup, stay at the bottom, and lighter ones, like oil, float on top. 3. Balloon rocket. Question. What makes the balloon move forward in the balloon rocket experiment? A. The weight of the balloon. B. Friction with the string. C. Air pressure pushing backward. D. Gravity pulling it. Answer. C. Air pressure pushing backward. Explanation. The air escaping from the balloon pushes backward, causing the balloon to move forward, just like how rockets work using Newton's third law. 4. DIY lava lamp. Question. What causes the blobs to rise and fall in a DIY lava lamp made with oil, water, and effervescent tablets? A. Light heat. B. Color mixing. C. Bubble foam. D. Gas bubbles carrying the colored water. Before we reveal the answer to question number 4, if you're enjoying these awesome science quizzes, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you love pigeons, help this clever little bird reach 100 subscribers. Answer. D. Gas bubbles carrying the colored water. Explanation. The tablet creates gas bubbles that lift colored water through the oil. When the gas escapes, the heavy water drops back down. 5. Walking water experiment. Question. In the walking water experiment using paper towels and cups of colored water, what makes the water walk? A. Magic paper. B. Heat. C. Capillary action. D. Gravity pulling the color. Answer. C. Capillary action. Explanation. Water travels through the tiny gaps in the paper towel fibers, a process called capillary action, pulling the water up and across into another cup. And that's the end of our science experiment quiz. How did you do? Let me know your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and help your buddy Pigeon reach 100 subscribers. See you in the next video.